first open your course on Schoology, each course comes with this stock image to identify your class. To make it easier for students to find each class period, you can change this picture to add a little bit of personalization to it. To do so, click on Edit Picture. You'll see a variety of stock photos that are provided here for you that you can use. You also can upload your own image at the very top here. A couple of options would be to go to Google Images, find an image you like, click with 2 fingers, and save that image to your computer. Or I went to canva.com, created my own image, and downloaded it. And I can change now my picture for my course by attaching the image I want to use. You'll see it automatically updates, and now it's easier to identify this as my first period class. Your courses may not be in an order that makes the most sense for you, and it is easy to reorganize them to make them easier to find. If you click on courses at the top, you'll see that they are in the specific order. To change the order, click over on My Courses on the right side, and it shows you a list of all of your courses you are currently enrolled in on Schoology, or that you are an admin in. To change the order of those courses and the way they appear, click on Reorder Courses, and you'll get a list. You can take and drag any courses in any order you want to put them in to make them easier for you to find in the order you want them to be. So I could put my first, third, fifth, and seventh period classes all in order, or however makes the most sense to me. When I'm done, I click the X, and when I click on courses, they'll be in the order that I want them to be.